Ladies, if you are not shopping for wigs at PinkeePromise.com, you are missing out on the best wig finder tool available. Once at PinkeePromise.com, click on Store Categories, and from the drop-down menu, select Wigs. Once you are at this page, take a look at the menu bar on the left side of the screen that says Filter Products. Here you can select to search by keyword, popular, such as bestsellers, new arrivals, top rated. You can search by brand, cap size, hair type, length, cap construction, hair texture, hairstyle, fringe, with or without bangs. You can also select wigs that are available in gray or a price range. Let's give this wig finder a try. I am going to select average cap size, synthetic for hair type, mid-length, because I'm really looking for a very practical mid-length style. I'd also like a monofilament top, and already the finder is bringing up results. And I would like a straight hair texture. And look at all the search results. I am shown wigs from different wig brands. Everything that I could possibly want in a wig is found in these results. If you have a question about a wig or any product, you can simply give Pinkee Promise a call at their 800 number.